How do we say you look great in Spanish?
Te ves genial.
How do we say congratulations?
Felicidades.
How do we say happy birthday?
Feliz cumpleaños.
How do we say good luck?
Buena suerte.
Did you know all of these? Let's see if you can make it to the last one. How do we say get well soon?
Que te mejores pronto.
How do we say best wishes?
Mejores deseos.
How do we say have a nice day?
Tengas un buen día.
How do we say enjoy your meal?
Que aproveche.
How do we say I don't know?
No sé.
By the way, save this video and follow me to improve your Spanish. How do we say I agree?
Estoy de acuerdo.
How do we say I love you in Spanish?
Te amo.
How do we say my darling?
Mi amor.
How do we say you are my everything?
Tú eres mi todo.
How do we say I miss you?
Te extraño.
Did you know all of these? Let's see if you can make it to the last one. How do we say be mine?
Sé mío.
How do we say my heart?
Mi corazón.
How do we say love you forever?
Te amaré siempre.
How do we say you complete me?
Me completas.
How do we say my soulmate?
Mi alma gemela.
By the way, save this video and follow me to improve your Spanish. How do we say love of my life?
Amor de mi vida.
How do you say head in Spanish?
Cabeza.
How do we say face?
Cara.
How do you say hair?
Cabello.
How do you say eye?
Ojo.
How do you say foot?
Pie.
How do we say ear? Oreja. How do you say nose?
Nariz.
How do you say mouth?
Boca.
How do you say arm?
Brazo.
How do you say hand?
Mano.
How do we say back?
Espalda.
Tell me your score in the comments, okay? How do we say you're a dick in Spanish?
Eres un bomboso.
How do we say you're stupid?
Eres estúpido.
How do we say you're an asshole?
Eres un cabrón.
How do we say you're pathetic?
Eres patético.
Did you know all of these? Let's see if you can make it to the last one. How do we say fuck you?
Que te jodan.
How do we say you're a joke?
Eres una broma.
How do we say fucking idiot?
Maldito idiota.
How do we say you're a shithead?
Eres un cabrón.
By the way, don't forget to follow me to learn more. How do we say get lost?
Piérdete.
How do we say you're a piece of shit?
Eres una